So it's a neon. Okay, okay. And we're just gonna keep going down here and check out these little otter. Actually, I'm gonna do this and check it out one by one because this looks really fantastic. It looks cool. They really have, I think, I just have a feeling that they have generated a lot of this stuff because you'll notice like some would look the exact same, but we have like a tiny little difference in the background. So yeah, but anyways, I'm just gonna go on down and keep scrolling, and we're just gonna take a look at all of these otters. So I do notice some of them have like, okay, these cyborg these cyborg type otters, which is really cool. But more than that, it's as though oh, one's a chef and things like that. I noticed that they're switching between two different types of artists, so I don't think they've really been staying true to their collection. And one thing I have not done is read, like, you know, the stats on this thing. So let's go ahead and do that really quickly. So the stats are 1,000 items, 305 owners, and 11 total ETH, and the floor price is less than 0.01. Actually, I haven't seen the prices. What are the prices? They don't have the prices displayed. Okay, that's interesting. Let's go to most viewed. Let's go to most viewed, shall we? Because this is always exciting, and I like to see the history of like the artists. Oh, this one looks smart. Okay, so this was this was minted, and then it was listed for 0.5. Then they changed the listing to 0.1. Then they changed the listing to 0.01, and this Otter Be Good. So Dank Drawing sold it to this Otter Be Good. Transfer occurred, and then someone's just been offering 0.04, which is more, but like no one took the offer, which is like so disappointing. But then this person, this ought to be good, this ought to be good, bought this. And this is kind of funny because it seems like this person just collects otters, which is like really funny. Or maybe they just wanted the pun, because as you can see, they've bought like like a ton of different things here that's unrelated to otters. But this looks amazing. Like their collection itself, it looks really good. Yeah, oh, this guy bought like a little moment here. That looks really cool. So level 1, level 2. Happy Valentine's Day. Oh wow. Some interesting stuff there. Okay, so let's go ahead and head on back. And oh, there's a Yeti. That's the the thing from Star Wars. Yes, of course.